Tired of restless nights? Searching for that perfect balance of comfort and support? Look no further. Introducing the 12-inch diamond hybrid mattress, proudly assembled right here in the USA. This isn't just a mattress. It's your nightly retreat, meticulously crafted for exceptional sleep. At the heart of this incredible sleep experience is our innovative cooling gel-infused memory foam. Feel the difference as it gently cradles your body while actively drawing heat away. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to a cool, breathable sleep surface. Whether you're looking for the perfect companion to your queen-size frame, an upgrade to your full mattress, or simply the refreshing touch of a cool gel memory foam, this mattress delivers personalized comfort night after night. But comfort is only half the story. Below the cooling layer lies a carefully engineered system designed for superior pressure relief and support. Whether you're a side sleeper seeking targeted cushioning, a back sleeper needing gentle spinal alignment, or a stomach sleeper requiring stable support, this gel memory foam mattress adapts to your unique sleep style. It's the ideal foundation for a truly restful night, much like a premium memory foam hybrid mattress should be. And for undisturbed sleep, our advanced pocket spring construction works wonders. Each coil moves independently, expertly absorbing motion transfer. This means you can finally say goodbye to those nighttime disturbances caused by a restless partner. Enjoy deeper, more consistent sleep on a mattress designed to minimize movement. With its comfortable medium-firm feel, it offers the perfect balance of support and pressure relief. We take pride in the quality of our products. This hybrid mattress combines the pressure-relieving benefits of a full memory foam mattress with the lasting support of traditional inner spring coils, all designed and assembled with care in the USA. Discover the difference a USA-made mattress can make in your sleep quality. Experience the cooling comfort, targeted support, and motion isolation of the 12-inch diamond hybrid mattress. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.a4wish.com to see detailed product information and customer reviews. We'd love to hear what you think. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this mattress or what other brands you're interested in exploring. Your feedback helps us create the best sleep experience possible.